So this smartphone cost only 6,000 rupees and it comes with Snapdragon 430 processor. So let's see, you can play PUBG on this smartphone or not. So I'm going to play PUBG, Asphalt 9 and some other games too. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the full gaming review of this Asus Zenfone Lite L1 in 1080p 60 fps. So let's begin. So this is the smartphone guys. Before starting this video, if you wanna be my friend or just want to see the behind the scene of this channel, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The Insta handle is techbuffet, which is showing over here. With that said, let's begin. So before starting this video guys, let me tell you that I don't believe in benchmark numbers, but I know that some of you guys did. So that's why I have did some benchmark in this smartphone. So as you see, this is the Antutu benchmark score of this smartphone. Let's begin. But before starting this video guys, let me give you some of the specification of this device. So this smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 430 processor, which is an octa-core processor. It's a very old chipset, I can say that. It is coupled with Adreno 505 GPU, which is a very good GPU in my opinion. So it has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, 3000 mAh battery, and it has 5.45 inches of HD plus display, 720p in a way you can say that. So I am going to play these 4 games: PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, Subway Surfer, Modern Combat 5, and I'm going to use this phone temperature application to check the temperature of this device. So let's play Subway Surfers guys, which is very basic game. Smooth as butter. So as you guys seen, the gameplay of Subway Surfers on this smartphone is pretty smooth. There was no frame drops that I have noticed in this smartphone as expected. And the current temperature of the smartphone is 32 degrees Celsius. The current battery percentage is 38%. And let's play PUBG, everyone's favorite PUBG. Let me remind you that this smartphone costs 6,000 rupees and I have installed PUBG in this smartphone. Yeah, it is actually working. Graphic is on smooth and frame rate is on medium. The speaker is present over here and it is not an ideal position in my opinion. It easily blocks when you play games. In the lobby it seems pretty okay-ish, I can say that. It's 6,000 rupees smartphone guys. Just don't forget that. Just keep your expectation in check. The volume is little bit less as compared to other devices which I have tested, and especially in this game. Well, it seems pretty good. I mean, 6,000 rupees smartphone guys. Wow. I am playing PUBG in this smartphone. Wow, wow, wow. I am impressed. Well, some guns are here. Okay, it's lagging a lot. What? Whoa, oh, he knocked me out. Wow. So guys, I have played this PUBG for like 10 minutes and the current temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. It doesn't feel warm or something like that, but the performance was okayish. I can say that it is not very striking, but I'm quite impressed, guys. It can handle PUBG. I mean, if you can lower the graphics more, then you can easily play PUBG in this smartphone. I mean, not easily, but you can at least play PUBG in this smartphone. So yeah, now let's play Asphalt 9, which is also a very high-end game. So as you see, guys, the visual quality is on high. So the display looks pretty good. I mean, it's 6,000 rupees smartphone, guys. Don't let me stress it more. Holy moly. Whoa, that was friggin' bad. But guys, believe me, the performance of this gameplay was pretty smooth. The Asphalt 9 gameplay was pretty smooth. There was some minor frame drops and the current temperature of this smartphone is 40 degrees Celsius. So yeah, I am quite impressed with Asphalt 9 gameplay. Now let's play Modern Combat 5, which is also a very taxing game. So let's see how it's going to perform. As you see, the FPS limit is on 60. So as you see, the smoothness is quite good. I mean, it does not look that good, but it is very smooth. Well guys, enjoy the gameplay. Wow. It's 6,000 rupees smartphone and it is pretty smooth, guys. Believe me. Yeah, there was a frame drop that I have noticed. The graphic is not that good, but the smoothness is pretty good. It is quite smooth, you know. Yeah, bro. Cool. I think we're in the clear. Nope. Oh, shit, hit it. Mission is accomplished. So the current temperature of the smartphone is 42 degrees Celsius. Let me zoom out a bit. And it feels a little bit warm over here, nothing too striking or something like that. But in the front, it feels like more than warm. But for conclusion, guys, if you are a gamer, just don't buy this smartphone. But if you are not a gamer and you are looking for a very good budget smartphone to buy, and you casually do game, then you should buy this smartphone. It has a very good potential for game, even though the 2 GB RAM does bottlenecks here, because this smartphone has 3 GB of RAM and it performs little bit, no, not even little bit, it performs much better as compared to this one. So if you are looking to buy a gaming smartphone, then don't look at this smartphone. I mean, you have 6,000 rupee budget and you are looking for gaming smartphone, that is not good. For 6,000 rupees, guys, this smartphone performs really good. You can play some very high-end games too, like Asphalt 9 was really good. Even Modern Combat 5 was amazing. There were some minor frame drops in Modern Combat 5 too, and PUBG was good too. You can play PUBG in this smartphone too. There will be some frame drops and you have to reduce the setting to play it comfortably, otherwise you won't be able to play it. So in terms of conclusion guys, these are pretty good smartphone for gaming too. I mean, not for dedicated gaming, but you can do game on this smartphone. So yeah, so this was my review of this Asus Zenfone Lite L1, and I have to say I'm impressed with it. It is quite powerful smartphone guys, believe me. I mean, for 6,000 rupees, it is quite good. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you do find this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button and hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and after that hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. By the way guys, if you want to see Hindi video of this laptop, this is Asus ROG laptop, and if you want to see videos in Hindi of this laptop, just go ahead and subscribe to my Hindi channel, which is Tech Buffet Hindi. And guys, if you wanna buy this 6,000 rupee smartphone, then I will leave a link of this smartphone in the description box too. And comment if you have any question, queries, suggestions or something like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.